Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Edit. So guys, if you have subscribers, do it to subscribe. The notification bell below to get notified when we post our new videos. So it's still tuned guys today as we take you through this tutorial, man. See you.
Show for our screen. So I downloaded the image for this tutorial, so I'll be dropping the link in the description. You can download it from there. So I'll be adding the image. Let me just plan it to 10 seconds, sorry. So from here I'll be adding the green screen layer. So we're adding the layer. So I'm going to crop the layer out. Okay, I think I'm good. So from here I'm going to expand it to full screen. Okay, I think it's better. Let's just check it out. Okay, so guys, it's good. So we'll be clicking on it. Get your chroma key, so be turning it on. Okay, from here we'll expand it, adjust it to remove the background. So you can see some lines. Okay, let's check it out. Perfect. This is perfect. So there is a layer I downloaded for this tutorial to make the raining make sense and look real. So I'll be adding a cloud. You can use different cloud, but for this tutorial you can download the cloud effect. So I'll be dropping it in the description. So you go to your layer, your media. Okay, let me find it. Okay, so this is the cloud effect. So I'll just expand it to the clip. I'll be using the chroma key to also remove the background. Just limit this green on it. Just keep it like this. So I think it's better. We'll just click on our image. Okay, just click on it. Just send backward. Okay, so we can now adjust it and now adjust it like to look real. Okay, I think it's okay like this. I think it's okay like this. So let's just check it out. So from here now we can just, this way the magic comes in. We'll be adding the layer, go to our sticker. So this rainy days, so in case you don't have it, you can download it from the store here. Just go to the store and type in rainy days. you can download it from there. So just go to rainy days, click on this one. Okay, you can see the rain. Okay, I think it's okay. You can notice there is no sound of any rain, so we are going to add this little rainy sound. So I'll go to I download the sound from PixRV. So I'll be adding the sound I downloaded. Go to my downloaded folder. So I'll be using this one. So the remaining days, I'm going to expand it to the end of the clip too. Okay. You can see. I think we are done. So we'll just save from here. So now we'll just go back entirely. We'll be adding a new project. The project we just saved now, we'll be adding it back. So about Kinemaster, we'll be adding this what we just saved now. Okay. Okay, so from here now, we'll be adding a new rain to make the rain looks real. So we'll be expanding it to the end of the clip. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So to make this rain looks real, so we're going to be changing the temperature of the video. Just look at our temperature. Let's reduce it a bit to look rainy. Okay, I think it's okay like this. -21. So from here, I think we are good. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The notification bell to get notified when we upload our new videos. Thank you guys. So from here, we'll just save the video.